Viva la Fiesta! Fiesta Village at Knott's Berry Farm is being refreshed to further celebrate all of the Hispanic cultural influences present in Southern California. The unveiling of the new Fiesta Village includes a reimagined MonteZOOma's Revenge. The historic coaster will be renamed MonteZOOMa The Forbidden Fortress, with an immersive storytelling and new surprise thrills for its riders. The new Fiesta Village will reopen in summer 2023, showcasing enhanced themes and beautiful decor across 3 new zones. Walking down El Camino Real and entering Fiesta Village, guests will step into brand new food locations, an updated stage, and a redesigned marketplace. The Fiesta Plaza stage will be refreshed to an even grander scale with theming to match the attached restaurant and new bar. Casa California will be transformed into a completely different dining location with a menu featuring food items such as made-to-order tacos and burritos. Across from the brand new eatery is Papa's Mexicana, where guests can enjoy fan favorites like carne asada fries and other delicious offerings. The former La Papa Loca location will become Cantina del Sur, a one-stop shop for specialty beverages. Also in this new zone will be an open street market inspired by the likes of Los Angeles' Olvera Street. At Fiesta Mercado, guests will find an assortment of merchants and retailers selling items perfect for guests to commemorate their visit to the new Fiesta Village. As guests leave the boardwalk and head into Fiesta Village, they will enter a zone filled with magical alebrijes. These brightly colored mythical creatures will take over the landscape and transport guests to a dream world inspired by Mexican folklore. While enjoying the scenery, guests can also fulfill their Mexican street food cravings at the new taco stand influence location, Taqueria Fiesta. MonteZOOma's Revenge reimagination. Opening in 1978, MonteZOOma's Revenge was the first flywheel-launched roller coaster in the world, and the oldest shuttle loop coaster still in its original location. MonteZOOma's Revenge has launched millions of guests through Fiesta Village into a gravity-defying single-loop track and back again. For 2023, MonteZOOma's Revenge is being reimagined and rethemed with exciting new thrills added to this classic coaster. New updates will allow guests to be completely surprised by the direction the train will take at the start of each ride. The randomized launch sequence will make it impossible for anyone to know their destiny until it is too late to escape the clutches of MonteZOOMa. To reach the station and try to escape with MonteZOOMa's gold, guests will find their way through the fortress protecting the treasure, but must be aware of the countless booby traps within. The grounds leading to the temple will resemble a macabre history exhibit as treasure hunters' remains from throughout the ages line the walls. Now that the traps leading to the gold have been cleared, only those brave enough can make it through the final challenge and find themselves at the home of the hidden Aztec treasure in MonteZOOMa, the Forbidden Fortress. The Funnel Cake vlog was the first to break the news about work walls going up in Fiesta Village on July 5th. Hold up, wait a minute, I came for something else today, but bigger news, breaking news. What is this? Signs were just going up as we walked by. With today's announcement about the improvements coming to Fiesta Village in 2023, we're very excited to hear the news and look forward to seeing it in person next year. Stay tuned.